Okay, guys, here's something you don't typically see on my channel, but I am also an enthusiast on. Today, I got the EST Genesis horn strobe, the ceiling mount version. I got this over, it's not even been a year yet, but I got this in March. And we just had a fire drill at school today, and our school uses EST Genesises. But the one thing they don't have is they don't have the fire logos on the side. They just have the plain white. So, yeah. I'll show you the inside quickly. It's kind of hard to open. Take the cover off at least. Alright. So here's the cover. You can see the little human run from fire, that's their logo. I always thought that blinked, but I guess not. The speaker for the, whatever you want to call them. Strobe hole, candela selection, little hole right there. And then, this is the one thing I don't like about EST Genesises. I love their sound. I'm actually addicted to their sound. But the one thing is, their candela selection is so high. How do they make them that high? That's like insane. And I have a few other fire alarms that will not be sounding today. I have the Spectral Alert P2R over here. And it's set to number 6, which on here means, you can't see it, but continuous medium. It's just like Eau Claire County's page. They're like, can you quiet down the tornado sirens? No, it's either on or off, peoples. Over here I got a Faraday. This is just hooked up to the wall with 2 screws, and this isn't active. So, yeah. I made a home fire drill video a long time ago. It was actually one of my first videos on my channel. So if you want to check that out, go ahead and check that out. It has this system in it. Alright, and of course we got the BG12L, the Firelight Alarms version. I do have a Simple X that was right here, but when I tried to wire this in, there were too many wires and I did not want to get the wire stripper out without permission or without a parent doing it or adult doing it with crap. My adapter, without doing it without like somebody else helping me. So I decided to just take the pole station off, and the pole station's downstairs. It's $20.99. So I'll just pull the pole station. This will not sound because somebody see my adapter is not plugged in. So we'll just, all of a sudden it goes off. No. So inside, this was addressable, but I got rid of that. You can kind of see the alarm through there. Yeah. And then I have this black, or not this one. This one has a little faded black on it for the key thingy right there, whatever you want to call that. Key slot, there we go. Little story here. I have the original, this is not the original key for it, for the BG12L. The original key had the actual firelight symbol, like right here. The original eye, Illuminati looking thing. And it had that on there, but my mom accidentally stepped on it when it was in the key slot, so now it's broke. But we took the key slot and we taped it right here. My dad took it to a locksmith. It took the locksmith guy 2 minutes to make this key. But then the Simple X key, it didn't come with a key. Crap. Where'd it go? The Simple X key said it took him an hour to figure it out actually. Because, yeah, so. The Simple X $20.99 is downstairs. Inside here, we'll show you a few stuff. Speaker, strobe, freaking gigantic strobe. Candela, horrible candela selection, people. I will warn you right now, if you have a problem with seizures, oh, do not watch this. Or if you have EST Genesises in your building, or if you work in an office or have EST Genesis in your school, ask them to replace it, because these things are freaking bright. So, yeah. Trust me, when all the lights are off and it's dark out here, I cannot even look at the flashes against the wall. Speaking of which, it was lightning last night, so, yeah. So, nothing else special in here. This thing I don't think came with a sensor. I would love to test it just with a lighter or smoke or something. But I guess I can't. So I guess now's the time to test my fire alarm. So we'll do two different activations. We'll do regular and we'll do Q. So we're gonna first do regular. Alright, I'll put the cover back on. And I'll do cover on, cover off too. And the cover putting on is kinda hard too. So if you want to put your covers back on, easy way to do it. Make sure your candela selection that it's set to is located right and that you could see it through the little box. That is the easiest way to do it. And then our school only has it clipped in like this. They don't have this part clipped in. This one kind of tight. Dad's home. Alright. Yeah, hold on. This part's kind of a little tricky part here. There. I guess the custodians were too lazy to do that. Alright. And let's go ahead and test. Why not? Alright, we're gonna have to move this closer because I know this won't be enough cord length. Unplug my alarm clock, as you may see, and plug this in. Let's see if it. Okay, I did that just in case we had a little blooper. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Jesus. Step all the way over here. Wow, that's loud. Alright, we'll do second activation. Also known as key activated. Step all the way over here. Alright, now we're going to do it the other way. I'm going to take the cover off now. And where did I put the pins? Alright, we got the cover off. And let's see. So, and then you'll notice the sound difference if I put my hand over the coil. Listen. That's more brighter. That's like brighter. Alright, and the second go around. Alright. Kind of notice that the cover's missing. Let's see if we can, Alright. See you guys later.